Good morning. I am Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and today I am working on week 31 of Margarete Miller's collage assignments. I need to have an architectural element, and I have these two. Not sure which I'm going to use, or if I'm going to use both, or what. Stained paper is my coffee dyed paper. A doll or a toy. I have this picture of a doll. Oh, she has a bright red collar, so we have something in bright red. Both of these buildings have bright red on them. And this toy also has bright red, and like I said, her collar. That's not for this one. And then something imaginary. And I thought, well, the constellations are made up by the imaginations of people. The stars are in the sky, but the characters they represent are imaginary. So we're going to use him up in the sky. And then I like this one better, but I wish it was bigger. So I am going to cut all these elements out, glue down my background, and we'll figure out how we're going to put them all together. Alright, so I have my background glued down. I have all my elements, and this is definitely just too small. It just doesn't look good. Actually, I'm not even sure if this looks good. I guess we can kind of pretend that this is like a little dollhouse. I'm not sure if this is maybe Japanese architecture. And she'll be the little doll that lives in the dollhouse, and this is her car. So let's make sure we have everything we need. We have our architectural element. We have our stained paper. We have a doll or a toy. Everything is red and something imaginary, and I'm not going to do the bonus. I'm feeling pretty good lately about not doing the bonuses, because sometimes it's the bonus that kind of makes everything look icky to me, or not right, you know, like you're adding something that doesn't go with your design. So there's the bear. Is that Little Dipper right here, I guess? I think. I'm not sure. But that's what it looks like to me. It looks like maybe that's the Big Dipper or the Little Dipper or something, because he is a bear. The Big Dipper is part of Ursa Major or something like that. Oops. I think I need new glue. Alright. I guess we're going to use some purple this time. Okay. I hope you're all doing well. Hope you're happy and healthy and well fed and safe. Oops. This one's just about empty too, apparently. Oh, I forgot I had already put white on there. Let's try to put this right in the middle. I'm covering up quite a few of my little coffee cup stains, but that's okay. Alright, she's going to go just kind of like right here. It's actually kind of cool today. Oops. Alright. I was a little bit chilly sitting outside in the shade today, which is unusual for lately because it's been so hot. All you want to do is sit in the shade. Oops. Has it been hot where you live, or do you live in an area that is not so hot? Not having a heat wave. I think we'll just put that kind of like that. Kind of camouflage the bottom of that choppy bottom of that. But so that's it for my, actually I think I might try to add some stars. I'm going to use up my stickers, so I am going to put a few stars up in the sky. And that's going to be a symbol that this is the sky. What do you think? Purple. Maybe one or two more. Let's put a green right here and another purple right here. Okay, so that's it for my week 31 of Margarete Miller's collage assignments. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you'll keep watching my channel for my Junk Journal July posts, and come back next week for week 32. And also, I have put some new shorts up about my native garden and stuff going on in my backyard. If you'd like to see that, check out my shorts playlist. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.